Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Expedition. Stock number is A6637A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. You have easy access heavy duty tow hooks. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clear all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. You have dual rear-facing entertainment centers, so you can have the entertainment back here in the back. Up top, you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats. You can fold those down if you need more space. You have a power assist lift gate, so with a simple press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. You have dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive controls and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Expedition on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.